Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 59 of Build the Legendary Cyborg RoboCop from our good old mates at Fanhome. Now, I want to grab this and build this iconic cyborg with me. Follow this link here. There's a clickable one in the description below. That will take you to the Fanhome website, and you too can take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/3 scale die-cast replica. So let's have a quick scoot through the magazine. You've got the history of RoboCop there. Looking rather dirty there, and look at him. Yeah, he's been through the wars. You've then got more about the history there, all the filming and everything like that. His wife there. You then got Pacific Data Images. We've then got the rest of our parts. We've got the rest of the support going in. So you're going to need this from the previous issue, folks. So we'll put that at the back, ready. And also, you've got a spare strip left over from the previous. So let's drop that in there. Right, I think they've given us another one anyway. That's the list of parts. This is what we've got. And then this is going together with a spring, etc. to form this clamp, like so, that then screws into the post, like that, with a couple of end screws. And then that's going to slot in your base, but I'm not going to slot it in my base at the moment, because I'm keeping my stuff in a box just away at the moment. So I'll build the support bar, and then that will go in storage, folks. Okay. You then got Tommy, the nurse robot there. 100 years of robots. Autonomous robots there with astronauts in the ISS and things like that. More different bits and pieces there. Floating robots that go in the space station, as well as robotic arms and things like that, folks. So the technology is really, really out there, folks. Right, this is our new part, folks, with the little lever on it. So we want it that way up, and we want to put this spring in there. Okay, so we want it that way, like so, and then spin it so that that is in there, like so. And then this bit is going to go above it, somewhat like that. And then it'll clamp open, just like so. Okay? So that's what we're after with that. But our first point of call, let's put this on. So let's send that into its new home. Get rid of that. And we can just feed that all the way through that curve, like that. Give that a bit of protection then, won't it? So that when it's gripping our RoboCop, it's not going to be damaging him in any way. Now we can put the spring in, put the other half together like so, and grab our VM screw. We'll pop a bit of oil in it, because the oil as well will just lubricate that little post, just to keep that nice and lubed. So let's put a drop in there as well. There you go. Grab your screw and send her in, just like that. And then we'll let the oil do its thing. But that's what you're going to have. Nice big clampykins like that. And this clamp is going to go on this post. This is basically what holds up RoboCop. And then we'll be fitting that in them holes like so when the base goes on. Okay? So you've got loads of different locating pegs in there. So that's where that's going to live And it's saying the right angle must face down, and we want to go one hole down, folks. Here's what we want. So let's grab one of them and fit it so that you can see what it looks like. So we'll have a screw there. Right angled section must face down. And you want to go one hole from the top, folks, okay? Like that. And then we can screw that in. And then do the same with the second one. Just like that. Pop that in. And that gives us a nice solid mount for RoboCop, folks, okay? So that's what you're going to end up with at the end of this issue. RoboClamp. Yes, folks. So if you want to grab this for yourself and build along with me, follow this link here all the way to the Fanhome website, and you too can be building this beautiful 1/3 scale replica. Also, to help me out, if you can just pop over there, click little festikins and subscribe to my YouTube channel. That really will help me out. Helps me grow my channel. I'm immensely grateful. Also, ring the bell whilst you're there. Select all to get notified of all of the upcoming content. In the meantime, thank you so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.